Hi everyone, my name is Ayan.
And I'm Bhumika.
And today we are going to be watching and reacting to Game of Thrones episode 7, The Broken Man. Okay, first thing, as you guys would have noticed, we did not put up an episode video reaction last week. There were two reasons for that. First of all of us had some very important sudden event to take care of. I cannot go into the details of it, but let's just say some of our friends had some very important work to be taken care of that all of us had to kind of all hands on deck kind of approach to take. So we kind of couldn't take out time for this episode. The good thing about it is that it turns out that this was the most uneventful and the most boring episode till now that we missed. So we got like really lucky that we missed an episode when nothing happened. But two things I just want to go over quickly because I did watch the episode obviously and it was a boring episode, but two kind of important things happened. First, Benjen Stark is back, which was pretty obvious because there had to be someone who was going to save Bran. And if you read the books, you know there's someone called Cold Hands who would appear, and you know it wasn't a surprise. I don't think it was a surprise to anyone that it was Benjen Stark. So that was one. Second thing which was a surprise to me was Tommen Baratheon going over to the
famous fight.
Yeah,
to the
not
Faith.
to the Faith, which is a very big development because I was not expecting that. It's very stupid. Logically it makes no sense, but then Tommen is like a very young kid, so you know you have to give him that.
Yeah.
So those are the two, literally the two only things that happened in that episode. Okay, we saw the door, which was the last episode. I'll just say one thing. It's been 2 weeks, and I'm still too traumatized to talk about this in detail. So I can't talk about Hodor, I can't talk about what happened, so I won't, but it was brutal and the best episode of the season. Okay, so this episode is called The Broken Man. I've read the books, and because I've read the books, I know who the Broken Man is, I know who it talks about, and Bhumika also knows, so I think, and obviously you guys have seen the episode, that's why you're seeing this reaction, so we will be seeing the Hound in this episode, and I really want to see how he makes an entrance and what happens. So let's watch?
Yeah.
This is him.
Yes,
This is
this
him.
is the Hound.
Yes! This is interesting. Clegane Ball!
Just one. Oh. You must be some kind of monster. He was a woman.
Brianna fucking card.
So he's basically the guy that saved
Saved
him.
him. Yeah, he's the. So in the books, he's the gravedigger.
Yeah.
Like that's how he's referred to.
Okay.
Has been my true friend and counselor.
Oh, this is
I love Olenna.
Let him begin again.
as a mindless fanatic.
As a free man.
You will leave for High Garden today. There is no law that says you must stay here.
I am the queen.
She
It's my
is
duty to
saying
serve.
all of this because this woman is here.
But you should leave, grandmother. Your place is at home.
I will never leave you. Never.
You must
Kill something.
go home. Find comfort in prayer and good works.
Whoa! I told you guys. I told you. I told you
Sure
guys.
she's playing.
I told you guys she's playing her.
I'll see you soon, my dear.
Seven blessings to you, grandmother.
Well, Marjorie is
Amazing.
amazing. Amazing. Next level. This girl.
It's like she'll be the next Cersei. Like she.
No,
already
please
is.
don't insult her. She has 10 times the brains Cersei does.
Right?
Ha!
What did she give you? It's a rose.
It's a roasted and it's a Jill.
Okay.
What does that mean though? Like she's on.
She's on their
Yeah.
side.
I heard you were leaving King's Landing.
That is hardly your concern.
So you're still a prisoner. You'll leave a rotting in a cell.
Lawrence rots in the cell because of you. The High Sparrow rules this city because of you. Our two ancient houses face collapse because of you and your stupidity.
I made a terrible mistake. I carry it with me every single day. Good. I delivered an army of fanatics onto our doorstep. And now we must fight them together. We need each other.
I wonder if you're the worst person I've ever met. At certain age, it's hard to recall. But the truly vile do stand out through the years. I remember the way you smirked at me when my grandson and granddaughter were dragged off to their cells.
Okay, wait, I just have to pause this. I think this is the best Olenna Tyrell episode
seen the whole
I have
thing.
ever seen. And Diana Rigg, Emmy.
Never forget it.
I was his steward. In fact,
I think we've had enough small talk.
Ha!
Why are you here?
Oh my god.
She is.
Stannis Baratheon.
She reminds me of Arya.
Before he marched
Yeah.
in.
Like this is how I imagine Arya would be like if Arya was like
And he petitioned for
the Lord of Winterfell.
And,
Said, Bear Island knows no king but the king of the north. As far as I understand, you're a Snow, and Lady Sandra's a Bolton. What's your Lannister?
in the
I've heard
face.
conflicting reports.
I did what I had to survive my life.
Burn.
I'm
Seriously.
Stark. I will always be Stark.
Wow. Dude, I love her. I love her. I think she's one of my...
Possible one to kept faith with House Stark for 1,000 years. We will not break faith today.
I love her. I love this woman. Girl. This woman, this girl.
Thank you, my lady. How many fighting men can we expect?
"62.
62.
We are not a large house, we're a proud one. And every man from Bear Island fights with the strength of 10 men.
Oh my god, I love her.
If they're half as ferocious as their lady,
I love this. I love There Was. This is reminding me of him and Shireen now. It's getting me emotional.
So he's your most trusted advisor now? Because he secured 62 men from the 20
That's the reason I'm standing here talking to you, and he served Stannis for years.
Stannis, who lost the Blackwater, who murdered his own brother, who doesn't have a head. It's not enough. We need more men.
Why is everyone insulting everyone?
There's no time.
I know who this is.
Sweet girl.
Oh my god, no. No, they can't kill Arya, no. No, what? No, they can't kill Arya. But she got stabbed.
I know, right?
Like, though, look, the internet would have broken by now if Arya was dead. And I'm watching this episode a little late, so I'm pretty sure Arya is alive.
Obviously. She is.
But she got, did she not get stabbed? Like, what happened? She can't be standing in.
She's hurt like she's really bad hurt.
Oh fuck. Oh fuck, wow.
Like the whole thing is dead.
But they were like innocent,
Yeah, like.
simple people. Like Brotherhood Without Banners was really good. Like what are they doing?
Every video.
Huh? Look, like, wasn't like the Brotherhood Without Banners like peaceful? Like, is
Yeah.
Beric Dondarrion dead? doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
And that reverses all progress the Hound made. Okay, so that was our reaction to season 6, episode 7. What did you think?
It was a very well written episode. The dialogues are like
Good screenplay.
out of the
Good screenplay, yeah.
like real
But
good. It's okay. I mean, not that entertaining, but
okay, so last episode was one of the most boring and most like I've never yawned in a Game of Thrones episode. Last episode I yawned twice. So yes, which is like Game of Thrones can be good or bad. It can never be boring. But last episode was really boring, and a lot of people, including you were telling me that this episode is gonna be like that. I think this was a very good episode. Like I thought the dialogues were like amazing.
Yeah,
I thought the plot. I think that Lady Mormont is the best thing to have happened to the show in a long time.
Yeah.
I think Olenna got a very good episode, and a lot like the Blackfish returning, and like a lot of things are like it's the plot is Theon kind of finally coming back. So I think this was a very nice episode because it moved the plot ahead in a very eventful way. So I liked this episode. I thought it was a good episode. Not the best, not even the second best, but not like episode 1 or episode 6. It's a good episode.
Yeah.
It's not a bad episode. Okay, so that was our reaction to this episode. Next week you can catch us for the reaction to episode 8, which is going to be called No One. No point for guessing what that means. It's going to be a very, very, very Arya heavy episode. And also like I saw the preview.
I haven't yet.
I saw the preview and that I choose violence. So this is Cersei is gonna have a very, very major role to play in that episode.
It's probably gonna be good.
Also Brienne and Jaime return, so that's gonna be good. Reunion happening. Okay, so that was it. Guys, do share, like, subscribe, and do catch us next week.